This is a Singer model 404. This is the straight stitch sister, cousin, family member, whatever, of the 401 and the 403 and the 500. It's the same tan and cream color. It's the same all-metal gear drive as the machines that have the built-in stitch patterns. This machine is only a straight stitch machine. As you can see, it looks similar. Oh, and also the 301 also. It has the front drop-in class 66 bobbin. It uses the slant shank attachments and feet. Of course, it has your adjustable stitch length and your bobbin winder and your elevated throat plate. Has a handy threading diagram here inside the nose, and of course your adjustable foot presser here. It uses 15x1 needles and the class 66 bobbins. With this machine, you get a pack of new bobbins, or a pack of new needles, some bobbins, a multi-slotted binder, a seam or fabric guide, a zipper foot, a hammer foot, a gathering foot, and a ruffler. And you also get a buttonholer with its own manual and the original instruction manual. This is, as I said, an all-metal gear-driven machine. There's no belt, so it packs a little bit of a punch with your heavy-duty projects. Runs nice and smooth. It's in good cosmetic condition. It's fairly clean with just some light scratches here and there. A little bump here on the corner. It's ready to work on the tabletop. It comes with a drip pan, or you can put it in a cabinet or a carrying case. So, very nice, quiet machine. Freshly serviced, received, ready to work. A vintage machine like this makes a perfect holiday gift for your loved one. Nice straight stitch. Let's do 6 layers of denim, and if you do any sewing and you know that denim is a real big issue, especially over the seam, the machine pulls it through with no problem. I'm using a size 16 needle. Very nice. And with a perfect stitch, top and bottom. Let's do 5 layers of woven upholstery with a rubber backing. And a nice stitch on that too. You will also get the fabric samples that I'm sewing. This is 8 layers of cotton. Very nice. And this machine will use from a size 9 needle, which would be for your more delicate fabrics, up to a size 18 needle, which would be for your heavy-duty projects. This is yet another kind of a woven upholstery that might be on your sofa or your love seat. 5 layers of that. Of course, this is not an industrial machine. It's just an all-metal, heavy-duty domestic machine. They don't make them like this anymore. Any machine that you go by is going to have plastic internal gears and parts that won't handle a lot of heavy-duty projects, like, for instance, 4 layers of leather. If you are going to do a lot of leather and vinyl, sticky fabrics, you might want to invest in a walking foot attachment, because it makes life a little easier for your feed dogs and the motor to pull the fabric through, because it is sticky. And this is 4 layers of leather. And I'm pulling it through a little bit on the back side, just to help it along. And a walking foot would facilitate that going through the feed dogs a little easier. Perfect, beautiful straight stitch on 4 layers of raw leather. And just so you know that you don't have to sew elephant hide, we're going to sew 2 layers of a very delicate sheer chiffon. We'll loosen up my presser foot pressure, and I'm going to loosen up my tension a little. Of course, this is a given when you go from heavy-duty fabrics to a very, very delicate fabric. See, there's no puckering. It's making a beautiful stitch. And actually, I should be using a smaller needle, but I didn't want to stop and change the needle. You should use a 9 or an 11 needle if you're doing delicates. But there's a beautiful, perfect stitch on 2 layers of delicate chiffon. And that, once again, is a Singer Model 404 straight stitch Slant Matic sewing machine.